Welcome back. Now, another way to manage the space on your hard drive is to use storage space with Windows 10. You can access Storage Sense by coming into your search bar and then writing in storage. You're going to go ahead and click that link. When you do, this is going to open up into your storage drives, and you're going to notice that all the way at the bottom, what you're going to see is you're going to see a link that you can tick, and this is from Storage Sense. And what basically happens is Windows automatically frees up space and gets rid of files that it feels you do not need, specifically temporary files and anything in your trash folder. So what we can do is we can then click on. What we can then do is we can then click this free up space right now. And then you'll be able to see some of the files that you'll be able to delete from your hard drive that Windows feels as if you don't really need. And once you're ready and you've found the files that you'd like to delete, all you'll need to do is to click this Remove Files button. Once you've completed the files you want to delete, you can head back to your settings, and you have then set Storage Sense in motion. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.